We are here back again, trying to figure out the parasitic draw on my 1985 Merkur XR4Ti. So here we are. Last time I worked on it was yesterday. So average for cars like this should be around 0.05. So we are around there. However, we jump up to 0.07, which is too high. So there's something else that is draining the battery. So I guess we'll have to go and try and find that. So I guess we'll just start unhooking things. Might as well see what that will do for us. I think I'll have to do some more research. I'm gonna think a bit.
20 minutes later.
Alrighty, okay. Alright, next plan. We're going to pull some relays and fuses and other things and see what the possible cause might be. So here we are. So what we're gonna do is we got the battery. We're gonna hook up the battery. We're gonna pull fuses until we see the parasitic draw go away. The battery up. Hook this guy up. Alright, we got it hooked up. This is fuse 7 of however many fuses. So we're pulling the fuses and watching the amperage. 0.7, not this one. This one. No. Next. 0.05. No. Next. 0.4. Nope. Next. Oh. 0.03. Let's plug this one back in. Boom. Oops. 0.05. 0.052. 0.070. Pop this one out. What's it say? 0.003. So this is our fuse, which has the circuit, which is the issue.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Alrighty.
We got him.
So much for disassembling everything in the interior. But that's okay. Anyways. 0.003. That's pretty good. That's a fairly low drain. Yeah, that's really low. Well, let me go look at the manual. See what that is. What that fuse is connected to. Then we can look at the circuit and see if we can find our fault. Hopefully, once we get the information and we find the fault, it should be good. And we can just leave the battery hooked up permanently. And it won't drain. Well, it will drain, but it won't drain like, it'll take like 2 months to drain instead of like 2 hours. So let's get to that. Well, anyways, I looked it up, and that fuse is for all the interior lamps. So, and a couple other things as well. So it's going to be wonderful to just figure that out. So yeah, I'll have to get in there. I'll have to kind of tear everything apart probably. It's a good thing that I already started doing that, even if it was a mistake. So yeah, so that's where the issue is, and that's what I'm gonna have to do in order to find it. But if I just leave the fuse unplugged for now, 0.003 of a drain, that's pretty good. So yeah, that's gonna be another interesting problem to solve anyways. And yeah,